morning student. Today we will learn next point, second order derivative. Consider a differentiable function y equal to fx. That means here we denote any function as y or fx. When we differentiate this y equal to fx, then the first order derivative of y with respect to x is denoted as y dash or dy by dx, or fx becomes f dash x. So this is the notation of first order derivative. Similarly, if we differentiate with respect to x, we get y dash become y double dash, dy by dx become d dx of dy by dx, and f dash become f double dash x. So d dx of dy by dx. So here in numerator there are 2d, so it becomes d2y by dx square. डिनोमिनेटर में 2 बार dx है तो dx का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर में 2 बार d है तो d2 आएगा, तो d2y by dx square. This is called as second order derivative. Similarly, the third order derivative, again differentiating this with respect to x, we get y double dash become y triple dash, and d2y by dx square becomes d dx of d2y by dx square, f double dash become f triple dash x. So d dx of d2y by dx square, again there are 3 terms of d, so it becomes d3y by dx cube and so on. मतलब इस फंक्शन को आप इसी तरीके से आगे और भी डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते, आपको जितना चाहिए उतना डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो. तो फिलहाल यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ 2 ही चाहिए, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट वाई डैश मतलब डी वाई बाई डी एक्स मिल गया फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, और y डबल डैश दैट मीन्स d2y by dx स्क्वायर मिल गया हमें सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. तो यहाँ पे आपको सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव तक ही एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना है. सो सी द एग्जाम्पल्स इन एक्सरसाइज 3.6. क्वेश्चन, फाइंड d2y by dx स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इफ y इक्वल टू रूट एक्स. नाउ वी नो दैट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स इज 1/2 रूट एक्स. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर गिवन फंक्शन y इक्वल टू रूट एक्स. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to derivative of root x. We know that derivative of root x is 1/2 root x. So dy by dx equal to 1/2 root x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, we get d dx of dy by dx and d dx of 1/2 root x. So we know that d dx of dy by dx, that means d2y by dx square equal to 1/2 constant है तो उसे बाहर निकालो, d dx of 1/root x. तो 1/√x जो है तो उसे हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट करेंगे, और रूट मीन्स x रेज टू हाफ. सो हाफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1/x रेज टू हाफ. तो इसे न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट करोगे, सो इट बिकम्स डी डी एक्स ऑफ x रेज टू माइनस हाफ. ठीक है, सो हाफ इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू माइनस हाफ. तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू n इंटू x रेज टू n माइनस 1. सो सिमिलरली हियर वी राइट माइनस हाफ इंटू x रेज टू हाफ माइनस 1. सो हाफ इंटू माइनस हाफ इट बिकम्स -1/4. x रेज टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, सो -1 -2/2. That means d2y by dx square equal to minus of x raised to -3/2 upon 4. So this is the final answer. Now see second example. Y equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. So first we write here given function as y equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get so dy by dx equal to d dx of e raised to 2x plus 1. Now we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x as it is. So same way यहाँ पे derivative of e raised to bracket is e raised to bracket as it is, and again derivative of this brackets, that means here we use chain rule. So dy by dx equal to e raised to 2x plus 1 as it is, and again derivative of 2x plus 1. So here we use chain rule. So two constant है, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1, that means derivative of constant is 0. So e raised to 2x plus 1 into 2. Therefore we get dy by dx equal to 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1. So here we get first order derivative. So again differentiating with respect to x, we get, so we get here d dx of dy by dx equal to d dx of 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1. Now d dx of dy by dx, that means d2y by dx square. 2 is constant, derivative of e raised to 2x plus 1. Again here we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to 2x plus 1 as it is, and again derivative of 2x plus 1. Here we use chain rule. Similarly e raised to 2x plus 1 as it is, and 2 constant, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. So again we get 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1, here 2. So 2 into 2, 4 e raised to 2x plus 1. So here we get d2y by dx square equal to 4 into e raised to 2x plus 1. Now see third example. Find dy by dx if y equal to e raised to log x. First we write given y equal to e raised to log x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, so dy by dx equal to d dx of e raised to log x. We know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x as it is. So derivative of e raised to log x is e raised to log x as it is, and again derivative of log x. So here we use chain rule. So derivative of log x, we know that 1 upon x. So here we get dy by dx equal to e raised to log x upon x. Now to find second order derivative, here we write, again differentiating with respect to x, we get, so d dx of dy by dx and d dx of e raised to log x upon x. So we know that d dx of dy by dx is d2y by dx square, and d dx of numerator and denominator, that means here we use u by v rule, derivative of u by v. So here numerator is u, denominator is v. So by using u by v rule, we can write here v as it is, that means denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So here we use u by v rule. So x as it is, derivative of e raised to log x, we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Similarly derivative of e raised to log x is e raised to log x as it is, and again derivative of log x, here we use chain rule, minus e raised to log x as it is derivative of x. derivative of x is 1. जिसके आगे डेरिवेटिव लिखा है सिर्फ उसी का डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. इस टर्म के आगे डेरिवेटिव नहीं लिखा है तो वो टर्म एज इट इज़ लिखना है. डिनोमिनेटर एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज़. सो x into e raised to log x, derivative of log x 1 upon x, minus e raised to log x into 1, that means e raised to log x as it is upon x square. ठीक है. अब ये जो टर्म है इसमें देखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, तो एक x न्यूमरेटर में एक डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो वी कैंसल्ड इट. तो क्या बचा e raised to log x minus e raised to log x upon x square. So same term subtraction, so we get here 0 upon x square. That means d2y by dx square equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Thank you.